the first people in the world to put on the Apple Vision Pro and train their dogs. All right, so we got our dog here. We're about to train our dog, but first, let me pull up something to the company. CrownBulldogs.com.
Go, Charlie got that heat.
Yes, beautiful. Just like you, babe. We got the training right here. Let's pull up the training right there. Yes. All right. We'll just have that right over here. Crown Bulldog, professional dog training. All right. Let me get the treat pouch. Actually, let me pull up my photos. Go to the favorites. Come on out. Favorites. All right. That's what we want. Yes. Up on the wall. All right. Actually, let's put it a little smaller, just above her while I'm trying. That's not a little smaller. All right, there we go. All right, ladies, let's do some training. Oh, I don't have any treats. Good. Good girl. Down. Yes. Good. Good down. Good down. Good girl. Up. Yes. Good. Yes. Yes.
How do you think of that?
Sit. Yes. Good girl. Yes. Are you next, little sweet girl? Sit. Yes. Yes. Good girl. Look at me. Yes. Good girl. And this is how you teach your dog how their name is. Watch this. Nebula. Yes. Good girl. Nebula. Yes. Good girlie. See how you look? Oh, wait. Let's see if we can get one of her daddy's pictures.
Oh yeah, and
Oh, I
her.
don't have Google Photos, but we have mom.
I can send you one,
We have mom.
but she look more like that.
Alright, here we go. Yes. Good girl. Uh-oh, low battery, 10%.
Uh-oh.
We got mom versus. Does she look like her? Does she look like her mama? I think she does. Good girl. Good. Good boy. Easy. Good. That's my boy. Good boy. Wave. Yes. Wave. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, it is. Let's go find something else. Another picture. We got all these pictures of my boy. Let's see. Does he look like? Oh, let's get a picture of his daughter. One of his daughters. You look like her? Look at me. Yes. Look at me. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Bunny. Yes. Bunny. Yes. Good boy. Easy. Good boy.